Hi guys, before I start this video, I did mess up. It's not Selkirk, it's A-Line. Hi guys, once again it's me, Austin from Gary's Mod Train videos. Right now we're not doing anything in Gary's Mod at the moment. We are playing on Run-8 Selkirk, waiting for our train to come, so let's just sit here and wait. It'll be here eventually. Wow, this is going fast. 52 to be exact. Good gum. Reefer train as well. Yeah, this is on the CSX A-Line. You can buy it for $40 on the Run-8 forums. And I got all the cars in the CSX SD40s, which are, the cars are 15, and the locomotives are 20. So if you want to go check those out, that's great. So this train is just now coming out of Moncrief, headed to, I believe, let me check here. We're gonna go to Winkle today, or however the heck you say it, but yeah, I'm driving this thing, and so we gotta catch up here, and I'll give you a peek of what's inside. Hi guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Gary's Mod Train videos, and go check out my friend Trainboy2448.